Hey all, today we are going to do things a little bit differently. This is going to be a proper tutorial showing you how to do reverse painting on glass. Last week, while arranging my drawers, I found two old glass paperweights. I had decided to give them a new look, so I cleaned them up for makeover. In reverse glass painting, everything you do is backwards. You have to lay out your foreground first and then the background. So anything that you want to be in front of anything else, you have to paint first, unlike regular paintings. Reverse painting may be a little bit complicated. So I have already made a rough sketch of my illustration on a paper as a template. The template is ready now. Let's start coloring. In reverse glass painting, we have to use acrylic colors. I won't say much more now. Please enjoy the entire process. This project is almost ready. Let it dry completely. I am very much excited to see the final outcome. I love it. Aren't they pretty cute and beautiful? Let me know your feedback in the comment box. Since we use it regularly, the color of the paperweight may lose, so it needs to be preserved. There are so many ways to secure the reverse painting. We can use varnish, clear nail polish, resin, etc. Today I'm using Mod Podge. I'm applying a thick layer of Mod Podge on the surface evenly. Then add a layer of tissue paper. And then apply a layer of Mod Podge again. Let it dry completely. Clear the edge properly. Our glass paperweight is ready to use now. Aren't they beautiful? Let me know which one you like most. This is the very first time I tried voiceover. Let me know if you like it or not. If the video is helpful for you, please share it, like it, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for further notification. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a very blessed day.